Well, good morning, everybody. Travels with Dottie here, coming to you from New York City. Yes, sir, Bob. It is the 18th, I believe. Yeah, it's the 18th of October, 2025, right? And this is my series, the first in the series of a nomad stuck in New York. I haven't decided what to call it, a nomad lost in New York, but it's a special trip that I made here to be with my family and especially my niece, who had a amazing show opening in a very prestigious gallery here in New York City. So this video is that gallery opening, the main event. So you're going to see my niece, her art, and more, just as importantly, my brothers and sisters and friends. And I hope you enjoy it. And there's going to be more coming. A big hint, you see those bicycles in the background, those e-bikes, these Citibank e-bikes? That's gonna be a prominent role in a big video. So I've got lots of footage I've done that over the couple of days. I've been here Thursday night, Friday, and then today. I'm leaving soon. I'm leaving in about an hour and a half and coming all the way back to New Mexico. But it was a whirlwind tour and I've got lots of great footage for you. And I hope you enjoy this. Standing here on East 57th Street, Manhattan, and one of the oldest art galleries in America, Findlay Galleries. It's been around for more than a century, and today it's hosting someone very close to my heart, my niece, Ptolemy Mann. This gallery has shown everything from French Impressionists to contemporary masters. But today, it's filled with color, woven color. Ptolemy is a British artist known for luminous woven textiles and graduate paintings. There we go. This is absolutely one of my favorite pieces here. And look at these. It's just remarkable. I'm not a good enough photographer to do these color balancing correctly. I'm going to do my best. Yeah. But I wish I had a professional to do this for me because of the colors are just so important. That's my brother Frank and T, his partner T. Cheers. And I got permission, and they said they normally do not allow filming, but because of Ptolemy, they're letting me, so I'm pretty excited. Look at that. That's so gorgeous. Yeah. Oh, they put it in a setting. I wish you knew that. Yeah. Me too. And this is Ptolemy's father, my brother, my older brother. Do you mind being on camera? I do want to get a shot of the star of the show. Oh, I'm sorry, pardon me. That is my niece, Ptolemy, and she is the artist, and she's responsible for these incredible works of art. He's mine. I don't want to miss anything. So I'm now. But here we go. Smaller pieces, nonetheless striking. Every piece is, I find, striking. And one, I think it was 16. It's a beautiful display, and I'm so proud of her. So my other sister, Margaret, just corrected me in that some of them are paintings, some of them are weavings, and some of them are a combination. And I defy you to be able to tell the difference. She can, but they're all wonderful as far as I'm concerned. And we still have a sibling not here, my sister Annie and her husband Matt. They have not arrived yet, but I will show them if they'll allow me on camera. Okay, there's T, and we have not seen my sister Annie,
There she is.
What is that? That's my baby brother. Uh-oh. There he is.
And there she is. And her husband is around here somewhere. I'll find him. I'll find him. But we're going to look. There's more people here. There's the scar. We're going to look at these pieces again. Now, to clarify, we have pieces that are weaves. Then we have pieces that are weaves with paint on top. And then we have pieces that are paint only. And I understand these pieces that I'm walking by are paint only. And I can't tell the difference. And to me, it doesn't matter because I think that they're all absolutely spectacular. Because that was really There's some small ones. And I really, if you like blue, look at this one. When I said that was the scar, I didn't explain myself. That's my niece Ptolemy right there talking, and she is the artist. My brother. You'll be on YouTube with my elderly brother. Yeah, he's forgetting who I am. Finally, I've been looking for him everywhere. This is him. This is Annie's husband, my brother-in-law.
And long lost
Bonnie
friend.
Gordon. Do you remember Bonnie Gordon?
Of course, Bonnie.
Hi, Bob.
Now you're on YouTube.
He's
Bonnie.
a filmmaker.
Hi.
All right,
I just wanted Bonnie to say hello to you. We don't care about your movie.
I'm going to stop recording then. The Findlay Galleries was originally founded in 1870, way out in Kansas City. And then they expanded to New York after Chicago, which was 1931. Then Palm Beach in 1961, and New York was opened in 1964. So it's a world-renowned art gallery that it's just amazing that my niece has her own exhibit here. It's just remarkable. And look at the crowd she drew. Look at this. Here's some photos that my family took that I thought you might enjoy.
Definitely. I actually resonate very much so.
Ptolemy in the background. That's me again. And that's me and my niece Ptolemy, the gifted artist. And then that's my sister Annie, Ptolemy's father, Tad, my brother, and Yeppe, her partner. Wonderful guy that I got to meet for the first time on this trip. I was pretty excited about that because he seems like a great match for my niece, and we're very happy for her. And here I am back again, same spot, but I wanted to do a proper outro too. I hope you enjoyed the video and meeting my brothers and sisters and my wonderful niece Ptolemy.
And I'll do another. I'm not sure. It may be depending on how tired I am. It may not be until Sunday afternoon, or maybe even Monday morning, where we get the next video in this, to me, pretty exciting series. Take care, and as always, I really appreciate you watching the channel.